Billionaires don't save what's left over. They save first, spend second. This one mindset shift builds automatic wealth. And I'm about to show you exactly how it works. Hey, welcome back to lIHITRO Bank. My name is Adam. Here's something wild. 40% of Americans making over $300,000 a year say they're living paycheck to paycheck. Not 50,000, not 100,000, 300,000. You know why? Because they're doing it backwards. They pay everyone else first and save whatever scraps are left at the end of the month. And guess what's always left? Nothing. Now let me tell you what wealthy people actually do. They treat savings like rent. Non-negotiable. You wouldn't skip your mortgage payment, right? Same thing. The first check they write every single month goes to their future self. Before the car payment, before the groceries, before that subscription box you forgot you had. Savings comes first. The psychology here is genius. When you pay yourself first, you remove willpower from the equation. You're not sitting there at the end of the month hoping you have money left over. It's already gone, already invested, already working for you. Your brain doesn't even register it as spendable money anymore. It's like your taxes getting taken out before you see your paycheck. You adjust to what's left. Studies show that wealthy people automate 20 to 30% of their income into retirement accounts, brokerage accounts, and emergency funds before they touch a single dollar. Meanwhile, most people do the opposite. They spend first, live their life, and then try to save the leftovers. There are no leftovers. Ever. That's lifestyle inflation eating every dollar you make. Here's how you actually implement this. Set up your direct deposit to split automatically. 50% goes to your checking for bills and living expenses. The other 50% gets divided between your investment account and savings. The second that paycheck hits, your wealth building happens automatically. No decisions, no temptation, no discipline required. The system does it for you. Let me break down what this solves. Money removes 99% of life's daily stress, but only if you actually keep it. High-income earners are living paycheck to paycheck not because they don't make enough. It's because every time they get a raise, they upgrade the car, move to a bigger house, and inflate their lifestyle to match. That's called lifestyle creep, and it's why people making $500,000 still feel broke. When you automate your savings first, your expenses are forced to fit what's left. You stop asking, can I afford this, and start asking, does this fit my budget after I paid myself? That's the shift. Rich people save first fruits. Poor people save leftovers. And there are never any leftovers. The wealthiest 10% of households in America keep around $128,000 in cash. Not because they're hoarding it, because they built systems that made saving automatic years ago. They didn't rely on motivation. They didn't rely on discipline. They built a system that made wealth building the default, not the exception. So here's what you do today. Open a separate investment or savings account if you don't have one. Then contact your employer and split your direct deposit. Even if you start with 10%, just start. In 6 months, bump it to 15. In a year, get it to 20. You won't even notice the difference because you'll adjust your spending to match what hits your checking account. This isn't about deprivation. It's about designing a life where wealth happens automatically while you live your life. That's how rich people think about money. If this clicked for you, hit that subscribe button. We break down how wealthy people actually build and protect their money every single week. See you in the next one.